Wondering how to post on Telegram, whether you're connecting with friends, building a community as a content creator, or sharing quick updates via stories. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in navigating all three posting methods on Telegram, and you'll understand the ins and outs of exactly where your message will show up and how to make sure it looks and feels just right. Let's start with the basics, posting a message in a chat or group. This is the most straightforward way to send text, share photos, or attach files to a friend or a group. First, open up your Telegram app. On the main screen, you'll notice your list of chats, both individual conversations and group discussions. Take a moment to scroll and select the chat or group where you want to post. Once inside, you'll notice the message input field at the bottom, typically labeled message. Go ahead and tap that. Now you can type anything you'd like, whether it's a casual hey or something more detailed. If you want to step it up a notch and share a photo, document, location, or even a contact, look for the paperclip icon right beside the message field. On iPhones, it might appear as a boxed plus symbol. Tap it and you'll see all the different attachment options. Select what you need, maybe that hilarious meme from your camera roll or an important file you just downloaded. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to browse your gallery or find the right file. Telegram's pretty speedy with uploads once you choose. When you're ready, simply tap the blue paper airplane icon to send your message or attachment. And that's it, your post is delivered. Now, if you're a content creator or managing a community, you might want to post to a Telegram channel. Channels are designed for broadcasting information, kind of like a newsletter or a feed where only admins post and everyone subscribes for updates. Open Telegram and head to your channel. You'll see the familiar message field at the bottom, but notice that it shows your channel's name, indicating you're about to post as the channel itself. Type your update or tap the paperclip to add media, just like before. When you hit the send button, your post instantly reaches all your subscribers. Here's a small distinction. If your channel is linked to a discussion group and you want to be extra sure you're posting as the channel, not your personal profile, just tap your profile picture next to the input field before you send. This toggles your posting identity. That way your content always comes from the channel itself, keeping things consistent and professional. Finally, let's talk about posting a story. These are short-lived visual updates that live at the top of your chat screen, similar to Instagram stories. On your mobile Telegram app, glance up at the chat list and spot the stories section. Tap the plus my story button. This might look like a person with a plus sign or a simple camera icon. You'll immediately land in the camera interface, ready to snap a new photo or record a video. If you'd rather use something from your gallery, just swipe up to pick any existing media. Before posting, take advantage of the editing tools. Add a caption, stickers, your location, or even music. The more personal, the better. It's a great way to connect with followers or friends. You'll also want to set duration and privacy. Maybe you want the story visible to everyone or just your contacts. Once you're satisfied, tap the post story or send button and it'll go live at the top of the chat list. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're chatting, broadcasting, or sharing quick updates, Telegram gives you all the tools you need to connect in your favorite way. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions or tips in the comments. I'm always happy to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.